Good morning, my dear students. Hope all of you are safe at your home. During this hard time of COVID 19, the PESF EduHub Payyanur start a new online session for 10th CBSE students. So, I am Mr. SG and I am handling the physics 10th CBSE. Okay. So, first you just listen this video carefully and mark the uncleared part. You just mark the uncleared part if any, and those part will be discussed during the reopening time. Okay. So just see the slide. I am just considering our science is a tree and all other subjects is marked in the branches of a tree. So the main branches of the science are chemistry, physics, biology, earth science and space science. As per the CBSE syllabus, they are including chemistry, physics, biology and some portion of the earth science. All these four containing the science subject. So I am very interested in physics because my subject is physics. Okay. Next, what is physics? My first question is, what is physics? Anyone will know about physics? Okay. The term physics come from a Greek word physike, Phusike. It's a Greek word and the meaning is which means the knowledge of nature, and its aim to analysis and understand the natural phenomena of universe. Okay. The main difference between the physics and all other branches, only the physics will ask how the thing will happen. It's only for physics. So that make the physics is so cool. Clear? Only the physics will ask how it will move, how like questions, right? See, I'm just show some pictorial representation of physics. The physics containing lights, electricity, movement, that is the motion, energy, electronics, force, etc. And I will show some other examples. You just see, what is this? This is our universe, the structure of the universe. The sun and the planets are revolving around the suns. This will happen only because of the physics. You know this is an electrical bulb, it's an Edison bulb, it's a physics. Radio, Marconi radio is a physics. The new technology is like a computers and laptops, it's a physics. Rocket propulsion is another branch of physics. It's a mobile communication is in physics. You know this is an electricity generation, transmission and distribution. It's in physics. This is the new most modern equipments in the medical field like an X-ray, scanning machine, ECG, MRI scanning, etc. Is in physics. It's a vehicle technology is in physics. Yes, because in the vehicles they are converting the fuel into kinetical energy. It is in physics. Energy conversion is in physics. So the figure shows in electrical vehicles. It's a digital camera. Yeah, it's a digital camera. Okay. In all these examples, you just see the main point is that one device, and the device is working with the principle of some physics, plus and another important hidden subject is also there, that is mathematics. Suppose I'm taking a picture with the help of a camera. I'm just adjusting the focus. It's a measurement of length, right? So in the suppose a camera will focusing some one flower, you just considering a flower, because the camera is focusing a flower, the focal length is in the mathematical term, right? So all the physics containing some mathematics and some natural phenomena. So I'm just define the physics. So the physics is a branch of science which deals with the nature and the property of energy and matter, right? It's a deals with the nature and the properties of energy and matter. And simply I can represent an equation like physics is equal to mathematics plus the natural phenomena. Okay? Yes. Next, let's start our 10th physics. Okay. I already told in the 10th physics containing there are in 10th science containing there are 3 subjects, that is biology, chemistry and physics. These 3 subjects, because the chemistry plus physics plus biology is equal to 100 marks. In 100 mark, 80 mark for your written exam and 20 mark for your continuous evaluation. And this 80 marks, 27 mark of 80 is in the physics subject. So total 27 mark out of 80 in the physics means I'm just referring in the last year question paper, 13 to 50 question from our from physics subject, 13 to 50 questions. So total 27 marks from physics. So I'm just seeing the question paper pattern for 2020. There are 3 types of question pattern, that is 1 mark questions, 3 mark questions and 5 mark questions. Which one? 1 mark questions, then 3 mark questions and 5 mark question. From 1 mark questions there are 3 different sections. One is a very short answer questions like the filling the blanks question. The total question is 4 number of questions, and the multiple choice questions are 3 number of questions. They are given the options, and assertion and the reasoning problem is 1. So the total 8 questions, so 8 into 1 is equal to 8 marks, right? And the second section is a 3 mark question. It's a short answer questions. It's a 3 numbers of questions. So total 3 into 3 is equal to 9 marks. And the last section is a 5 mark questions. So in physics they are asking 2 large answer questions. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So the total mark is equal to 10 plus 9 plus 8, that is equal to 27. So in between 25 to 27 mark is a short. Okay? Yes. Then in physics I'm discussing the chapters. In physics there are 6 chapters. Chapters are the light, reflection and refraction, human eye and colorful world. Third one is an electricity. Fourth one is the magnetic effect of electrical current. And fifth one is source of energy. And the last one is the management of the natural resources. You just see, I am showing there are 3 different colors, because the first section indicate it's a light, reflection and refraction and human eye, right? This section is a combined known as, this is the natural phenomena, right? And the second one is an electricity and the magnetic effect of current. Both are related to electricity or current. The last one is an energy source. Sorry, the source of energy and the management of the natural source is related to energies. So these are our modules, and the marks distribution and the contents. In the first module, the light, reflection and refraction. Suppose you have to just refer in your textbook, there are 19 to 21 pages in your textbook, right? But actually the content is, there are 5 contents in the first module. The contents are the reflection of light, image formed by the mirror, refraction of light, image formed by lens, magnification and power of lens. So you just learn only for these 5 5 heading, then definitely you will get the mark of 7 to 8 mark. So the weightage is 7 to 8 mark. So only the 5 important topics. Then next, module number 2, human eye and colorful world. The function of the human eye and the defect of vision, refraction of light through prism, and the dispersion and the scattering of light. Only 4 headings and the total weightage is 4 to 5 mark weightage. Right? Okay. The next section is related to electricity. There are 4 topics. First one is current, voltage, resistance, electrical power. Second one is series parallel combination of resistance. Third one, Ohm's law. Fourth one is the heating effect of electrical current or Joule's law. So for these 4 heading, they are asking 7 to 8 mark questions. So the weightage is more in the electricity. Next is a magnetic effect of electrical current. There are 6 topics. One is a magnetic field bar, magnetic field lines, field due to a current carrying conductor, coil or solenoid, electromagnetic induction, Fleming's left and right hand rules, electrical motor. The last one is a comparison between AC and DC, and the total weightage is equal to 5 to 6 mark. Then the last session, first one is a source of energy, only 3 topics, and the weightage is something less. And the comparison between the conventional source of energy and non-conventional source of energy. Next, the solar, wind and biogas. The last one is a tidal energy, ocean energy and geothermal energy. The weightage is 3 to 5. Next, our environment. There are 2 headings. It's an ecosystem and its component and the environmental problems. In ecosystem and its component containing, there are 3 small headings. One is the producers, consumers and decompose. And the environmental problem is an ozone depletion and garbage disposals. The weightage is only for 2 to 3. It's a less weightage chapters. And the last one is a management of the natural resources. That is a natural resources, water resources and the water harvestings, and the coal and petrol. And the weightage is only for 2 to 3. That is the weightage for this. Okay, just wind up. So up to this, we have to discuss all the contents in each chapter and the mark distribution in your final examination. And I will upload the chapter wise video soon. So be safe and keep learning. Thank you.